Got it. So it's like a 3-day filmmaking 101. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, works. Yeah. Yeah, we'll figure this out. Hi, my name is Aakash. I am heading to Panchgani Zostel for a fun 3-day filmmaking workshop, and I was thinking I should make something and show them and then teach them how I did it so that they could all do it too. It's a pit stop. If you're passing by Pune, you can't not have Zostel Panchgani. So, yeah. It's here. Thank you. So all I have is a camera, basic mic, no script in mind. Okay, we're here. So this is Zostel Panchgani. It's a set of container homes, container rooms, where there are a bunch of rooms inside a container, and then it faces the hills. And you can see the hills when the fog clears, and it just doesn't stop raining. It's amazing. That's what happens usually when you want to make a film. Everything goes wrong. It just starts raining. People stop showing. It's just a part of it. The fun is in easing into it, And then over the next 3 days now, 15 odd participants would come in and learn filmmaking. They would write something, shoot something, and stitch it together. And I will do the same, no matter how much it rains. I got this. Okay, how about this? I got this. Here's what I'm gonna do. I was just thinking how lost I am, and I don't know what to make to show them. So that should be the video. That should be the film. A video where I'm putting out that I'm super lost and I question everything. Myself, if I'm doing it right. If there's a purpose or reason or meaning to any of this, creating art the way any of us do, and then end it with saying that it doesn't matter, and the right way to really think about any of this is to just be present here and now, just embrace it. So yeah, that's the film. That's what I want to write. Okay, so I'm going to make a film like that. So next steps. Step 1, I have to write a script that basically outlines what I just said. Step 2, make like a short division, a short breakdown, where I can say, okay, I'm going to shoot this part here, this part here, this part here. It's going to be this type of shot, and then it'll cut to this shot. Step 3, find out interesting places and locations in and around this area where I can shoot those bits. Step 4, edit, and then step 5, I'll just put it out. So that's the plan.
I have written a fun, simple script, a script about being lost, finding hope and being present, not thinking too much, not being overwhelmed, not overthinking, and I'm gonna go and shoot it. The script opens with me saying my name and then saying I'm lost. One of the most important things when I do my short division and shot breakdown is finding the right location to shoot it. Now, I'm not a localite here. This is the first time I've come here. But fortunately, I got this that Zostel Panchgani gave me. It's a list of interesting locations in and around this area. So I'm just gonna go somewhere and shoot it. Now I'm thinking, the line says I'm lost, so it should be a far, wide angle where you only see like one person, subject in the center, and a huge horizon, like a lake, probably like a lake. So I'm gonna find a lake. Um, the feel of interesting travel, etc., comes through pathways and walks. So I'm gonna find those, and fortunately, there are a bunch of them here. These are gonna be my locations. Okay, let's try this out. And that is how we went to the lake, and then we went to the art village, took really cool shots on the way, everywhere we could, interesting inserts, enough to, I think, have a decent film with a beginning, middle, end. Let's see how it turns out. Cheers. Oh, by the way, this is how the workshop went.